Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fernando, don't block with your face, man. Come on, Ollie, hit him. Hit him. Go, Ollie. Get up on your feet. Hit him. Hit him. Nothing. You don't have to do it from sitting position. Just tack him. Go. Hit him. Both hands. Let's go.
Oh God.
Turn on him, Ollie. Turn. Keep hitting him. Keep hitting him. Get your guard up. Guard up, Ollie. Guard up. Guard up. Harder, harder, harder. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. So talk to him. Come on, man. Oh, you know. Hit him, Ollie, man. Turn in, turn in, turn in, turn in. Come on, and again. Don't turn away from him. Come on, Ollie. Harder, Ollie, come on. Nice. Pass his guard, Ollie, come on, pass his guard. Head out of the way. Trim. Come on, secure his wrist. Oopa. Come on, trap his hands, trap his leg. Nice and basic. Good. There you go, there you go. And leg on the same side. Leg on the same side, Ollie, come on.
Change side.
Oopa, leg on the same side, trap his leg. Okay, we'll do what you were doing. Come on, head up, posture up, posture up. Posture up, get away from him, posture up. Put your hands on his biceps. And the other one. Pass his guard. Pass, 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 pass. Might have to accept a blow.